Ready.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Nowadays, there are many problems of pollution and alternative energies acquire more importance in the world. Some countries have developed new technologies to produce energy. One of these is the wind power. Now I will show you the principal countries that produce wind power. Okay? Okay, so I would like you to take a look of this table, which shows the top 10 countries in production of energy from the wind power in 2004. Okay. Now let's focus on the pie chart, and you can see that Germany was the main producer with 34.7% of the total for these 10 countries in 2004. In second place, we have to Spain, followed for USA.
You can get closer.
For USA, here. And Germany, and together, these two with Germany, produced 56% of the total of wind power of the 2004. Thank you.
Yes, ready.
Sunny, you want to share?
No, it's okay.
Camera.
Okay, good. Okay. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
As I mentioned before, now I'd like you to take a look at this graph. As you can see, across the top, the graph presents the changes of major religious affiliation in Australia from 1901 to 2006.
Good.
When you look at the left side of this graph, you can see the percentage of self-describing religious affiliation. And then let's move down to the bottom of the graph. As you can see, these figures indicates the census year. So I'd like to start by drawing your attention to each color, like this. You can notice that different colors have been used to show the different religious affiliation. So here, affiliation means a person's connection with a political party or religion. Okay, so first, what I'd like to point out here is the Anglican, Anglican and other Christian, and it describes by yellow color and sky blue. So these are depicted with color and sky blue. According to this graph, both of them moderately, yellow one and sky blue, moderately decline. Meanwhile, the percentage of Catholic, and that's the yellow color. Before there was the red color.
It's alright. I understand.
Increased moderately in the same period from 1901 to 2006. And interestingly, the proportion of non-religious people, that's the blue color here, has remarkably risen since 1971. Like this. So, moreover, the percentage of people who have the other religions, which is the Indian pink color, this one.
Oh, okay.
So, the percentage of people who have other religions has steadily increased since 1976. Okay, so the light purple color here shows the percentage of people who didn't state and describe inadequately.
Yes.
And that shows the most stable percentage from 1933 and to 2006, except 1971.
Mm-hmm.
So that brings me to the end of my presentation. I'd like to say Thank you all for your attention.
Hi. Okay. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Okay, let's look at the chart. And as you can see, this line graph shows the amount of oil production and consumption, including crude oil, natural gas, and liquid. As you can see on the left side of the graph, although the amount of oil continue to increase, the amount of oil consumption continue to increase, the amount of oil production plummeted to a bit lower 4 million in 1981. And after having fluctuation between 1984 and 1990, around here, the amount of oil production soared and remained stable at about 9 million. About 9 million barrels per day from 1998 to 2003, there was a small fluctuation of oil production before increased steadily up to a little lower of the end of the period.
Yes.
While the trend of oil consumption was upwards and comprised oil consumption at 2 million barrels per day. That brings me to the end of my presentation.
Thank you.